effective than the traditional graphic design?
Depende rin naman yun eh. Pero kung if we're talking about strictly advertising as it is today, sa tingin ko mas effective yung computer-generated graphics for the reason na mas visually striking ang computer-generated graphics than the traditional form that we're used to. Kasi kumbaga parang there are still some things that are physically impossible to do pagdating sa art. Na one click lang minsan sa, you know, with the help of computers.
Okay, so is it really important for a print advertisement to have a beautiful computer graphics?
Opinion ko lang ulit. Kumbaga, yung sinasabing, yung totality ng ad sa advertisement, hindi naman siya mag-work. Kahit sabihin natin, kunyari, sobrang ganda ng mga graphics mo, hindi siya magiging effective kung walang konsepto. Kaya for me, computer-generated graphics go hand in hand with the concept. One cannot exist without the other. So yun, kahit sabihin natin, puro eye candy lang, makikita ko puro magandang graphics, pero kung walang konsepto, hindi rin magiging effective.
So you're saying na